In my last food spree of Vada Pav, I was not happy about it. Like, I rated like 7.5 out of 10. The idli was really nice. And I really appreciate that thing. You know what I'm saying? My head is not good. So I'm aligning it. So what I'm saying is, the last spree was not that fun. It was overrated, in my perception. You know what I'm saying? Too much crowd. Besides, I decided to go on another food spree of a dosa. I tried it, and now I will try dosa. The famous dosa at the same joint the last time I tried it. You know, this is the kind of a purity measurement I am imposing on myself. But this time, my food spree will be a good, like 10 out of 10. You know, this red cat, this yellow and black cat is ubiquitous. You can find them anywhere. I asked them for the CST station and they quoted me the rate of like 300 rupees. 300 rupees for the 10 minutes of ride. And then I asked the other one. They told me like 150. 150, technically 140. So that was a good rate, you know that. You know what I'm saying? And the bus will cost me around 12 rupees. So much of difference. You know what I'm saying? So, the facade of all this situation, I should take the bus. Not to go hard line on myself. And spend money like anything on a transport. You know? What I back on? Bus is convenient. And CST station is not just an exclave of the city. It's inside. Yo. So, it's a kind of situation I'm facing. To go to the same bus stand. My cap is not good to align. The bus stand is right there. You know what I'm saying? There. That's the Crawford Market. That's a clock building. I'm not going there because that's quite far away. So I have to carry the same bus from the same bus stop. Yeah. I got it back on. Yeah. Let me go. I'm just struggling on the road. Too much people and there is too much of traffic. You know, this is a kind of sarcasm you are facing on the streets of India. There are lots of showrooms around here. What the heck you want? There are lots of nice showrooms around here. Yeah, electronic showroom, like a laptop, MacBook. And I inquired there. They are quite like a reasonable price. And I'm not sure about the genuinity of the product. There is some kind of a weird smell is coming. Some kind of weird smell. So what I'm saying that this is kind of an endurance. You are like taking on yourself in the crowded street and the people around. You know what? But aftermath of all this situation, it will be a good outcome. I will be reaching my destination for my food spree. I think my bus stop is coming by. So this is formidable for me to miss my bus. Taxis are really expensive. They are charging me so much. I'm really not. I saw to someone and he told me that the bus number 282 is having a good frequency. And yeah, and hopefully that is true. I checked on the internet. I was not knowing there is kind of an app for this kind of services. Yeah, so I'm really happy. I will catch the bus number 282 and will be soon reaching to the destination. Some people are very helpful. You know that most of the people are really very helpful. But sometimes you know that you are unlucky. You are very unfortunate. So that is my bus stand right there. And that's the typical kind of bus stand. You can say all over in Mumbai, the bus stands descended from the past. That is the AC bus. I don't think. Thank you. I will have the same dosa street. Too much of people now. I don't like this crowd. You know what? Too much of people. Not my type. Let me cross the road. Crossing road. I don't talk when I cross the road. It's too hazardous. You know what I'm saying? I must be. Yeah, we are back on the same road. You're right. The same from the last. I will order those. You know, see. Like a dosa, sada dosa. Masala dosa, egg. Egg, single. So I ordered masala dosa. Last time I ordered idli and this time I ordered masala dosa. You know, that kind of dosa they are making. And I'm really happy. Ordered it. That was a 10 out of 10. I'm really happy with that. The dosa, the masala and all. I'm really happy with that. The chutney and everything. That's really amazing. And that really enchanted me a lot. It was far more better than the vada pav. And I was really clumsy with my finance. I should not be spending that kind of money on the food spree that's not worth it. You know what I'm saying? What we want, like. It cost me around 50 bucks, 50 rupees, and that was really worth it. The person was having a good dexterity in his hand. He was making dosa very fast, and I was really amazed about that. That kind of skill, that kind of skill set. Supposedly, he was the fastest dosa maker in front of the CSC station. And solely the shop is. That is the only shop I can see 10 out of 10 worth it. I was freaking out initially what kind of dosa will be, masala and all. But it comes to be very nice. Like 10 out of 10. The backdrop of all this situation, I am really happy that I was there and I had that dosa. I will rate 10 out of 10. When I am rating, this is not just a kind of philanthropy. What I am doing, obviously, I am very much strict in rating the food, and such kind of food which doesn't dismay you, doesn't shatter you in terms of perception. I'm really happy with this kind of scenario, being a part of such experience. Yeah, sometimes the situation is palpable, and I'm not that kind of sloppy person to rate the food on a very strict basis. Like, you know what I'm saying? Let me cross. So that's it. This is for now. I hope you enjoy my vlog. I know this is not a cohesive vlog I ever made, you know. So that's it for now. I'm really happy with this food plate. The way the food you experience, you know, it will like bring happiness to some kind of tormented mind. So, not talking too much, I'm ending this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. See you next time. Bye bye.
हमारे पेड़ तो जो Brown.